What? Which one we getting? I feel like I'm in a Fast and Furious movie. Them little car meets they used to have.
Man, they just all they was tapping. It's like you fighting.
I'm about to do a burnout. Yeah, these things are violent.
I feel it. She called my name.
Lead a goat.
Oh yeah, we did that. We did 2 of these.
Yeah, that feels so easy. You just tapped that, man.
Yeah. What do YouTube? It's your boy Bright, back with no video. Today we going SRT and Scat Pack shopping. My cousin want a Scat Pack, I want an SRT, so I don't know. I low-key want to trade the Beamer. Not low-key, high-key I want to trade the Beamer. I don't like it. You know what I'm saying? To be continued, I'm gonna explain it. I'm not gonna lie, I was losing mad weight. Y'all probably can't tell, bro, but I've been losing mad weight. I started at 370, now I'm at 200 flat. I lost mad weight. If y'all wanna know how I did that, video coming soon on that shit. Alright. This car will be getting traded in. Not today though. Right now we window shopping. We just black folks window shopping. What this year got planned for me? We losing mad weight, getting in shape. Oh yeah, I was talking about the YouTube channel. My YouTube channel really ain't about shit, bro. It's really about me trying to inspire niggas to be better versions of themselves, you know what I'm saying? Because a year ago I was not my best version of myself. I'm still not, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm broke. But I'm trying to be the best version of myself, which is more fucking confident, more successful. That can be with money, friends, a girl, like in general. I just need more. I need to do better. I can do better. I can find better. I can become better. Because there was a better version of yourself. I'm competing with myself right now. Nobody else type shit. So I'm gonna do it. And I'm gonna show y'all I'm gonna do it so y'all can do it. When I tell y'all I weighed 370, I weighed 370. Now I weigh 200. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna succeed. We gonna eat. I'm losing mad weight. I'm getting mad healthy. I'm building my confidence. I'm finna take yo bitch, and yo bitch. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna race yo nigga. I'm finna outdress that nigga. I'm finna outdread him and her. Fuck you, Tim, you know what I'm saying?
Call it KKK, cause my chopper hate me.
Look at all the space for all my hoes. Got holes in the front, the back, the backpack, the backy-back, the crack-a-lack. Oh my god. Yeah, this is it.
Man, they just all they was tapping. It's like you fighting.
Alright, so I'll make a left away.
Take a right up here. I'm about to do a burnout. Yeah, these things are violent.
I feel it. She called my name.
Take a left toward you. Right. Take an easy way to drive it. Does a donut.
I start doing kickflips in the car.
Right. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared now.
There's one more, I think, right? And then there's
Track, but we don't need all that.
So what is this right here?
That's a practice of sport first. That's sport.
Okay.
Next one is track. That's like race mode, man. Go straight, don't turn.
What's like? Okay, it's like what's a DOS?
What? I did this Need for Speed.
Should I pop a wheelie in Durango?
Yeah, buddy. Just run you over.
Alright?
You know what? I'm in sport mode, Larry.
Oh, yeah.
You don't realize. I didn't even look into the cameras. Maybe is this shit zoomed in? Get some space. That lighting though.
Damn sunlight.
Yeah, nigga.
I'm barely touching it. I'm barely touching it. That's a crazy thing.
I thought we was gonna be facing the other direction.
I'm barely touching it.
So this nigga did a donut.
Trying to keep your traction control on.
Right? I don't know about cousin's car, man. It was swinging that hoe. What you think about this man in this car? Think he'll survive?
I think he'll do alright, bro. I think he'll do alright.
This man hit
Everybody ready to go and shit. They see G3 niggas pull up. Come on, man. I was ready to go and we close at 9. Come on, man. What? Which one we getting? I feel like I'm in a Fast and Furious movie. Them little car meets they used to have. There's Dom. There's Brian.
That's dumb right there.
That's definitely Dom.
That army green.
Ain't no
Let's roll up and out. Let's just get out of here with all three of them.
Ain't no Brian in here. It's straight muscle cars.
Damn, what a track hawk at? I ain't seen none yet. That's the Durango, that's the RT though.
Not gonna lie, after I finish my Durango, I'm gonna give me a little RSX Honda Acura. Can't forget about my tuners. I still love my tuners more. This looks so hard, this white one. I want to see the wide body. Where's the wide body one at?
Welcome to my garage, y'all boys. Nah, I don't gotta show the dogs which toy we're taking out today.
Let them know we in Dubai type shit. Like, it's really a nigga lifestyle for real.
For real, bro, we made it. We got every color Jeep.
I want to shout out 2 Mile.
We got 4-door, the coupe, 2-door. We've got a Trailhawk somewhere sitting around. I don't know where.
Nobody want that shit. We just bought it just to buy it so they couldn't have it.
You know it. And the credit line is good.
I'm saying credit been good, big credit, the credit way, that way.
Leader, go.
I need this.
Oh yeah, we did that. We need 2 of these.
Yeah, that feels so easy. You just tap that, man.
Yeah, very easy.
What a good day. Now I swear everybody gets muscle cars. I see it.
This car! Real easy.
Nah, you should have Reggie code.
Got a little thing down there perfect. As soon as we pull out the dealer, we go right back to the little roundabout.
We at Waffle House right now. We released some black people for real. SRTs and freaking Scat Packs and Waffle House. That's really some black shit.